Let me ask you something. What's stopping you from starting your own business? Is it money, experience, fear? Well, what if I told you that in 2025, you can launch a profitable business with $0 and absolutely no experience? That's right. No startup capital, no fancy degree, no connections. Just you, your phone, and the internet. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Here's what we're diving into today. The mindset shift that changes everything. 3 business models you can start for free, the exact tools you'll need, and real-life examples to prove it works. You don't need resources, you need resourcefulness. The internet has leveled the playing field. You don't need permission, a degree, or a big budget. You just need to solve problems. That's what business is. Problem solving at scale. Top 3 free business models. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, tools, Canva, Gumroad, ChatGPT. Low effort, high scalability. Freelancing. Offer writing, design, or video editing. Platforms. Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn. Turn your skills into income. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. Networks. Amazon Associates. Impact. Share a sale. No product creation needed. Pick a niche using Google Trends. Reddit. Build a free landing page with Card or Notion. Promote on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Reddit. Collect emails with MailerLite, free tier. Use ChatGPT to write copy and brainstorm content. Real life case study. Meet James from Texas. He started selling AI-generated coloring books on Etsy. In just 3 weeks, he made his first $500. Let's break down exactly how he did it, step by step. Common mistakes to avoid. Waiting for perfection. Overthinking branding. Ignoring audience feedback. Not starting at all. If you're ready to start your business today, drop A in the comments and tell me which idea you're going to try first. Like, share, and subscribe for more.